Exercise 7.1, question number 3. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided. Following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. To obtain a perfect cube. मीन्स क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग पहले समझते हैं. इसका कौन सा सबसे छोटा नंबर है जिससे हम डिवाइड करेंगे दो नंबर क्या होगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब. दैट नंबर इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर. Which number should must be divided? Convert the number is a perfect cube number. ऐसा कौन 81 परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है. ऐसा कौन सा छोटा नंबर है, सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है जिससे हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो 81 वो परफेक्ट क्यूब में नंबर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 81. 81 divided by 3. That number is not an even number. Divided by 3. Therefore 27. Again we divided by 3. That number is equal to 9. Again divided by 3. 3 and 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. Therefore prime factor of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and that is not a perfect cube number. 81 is not a perfect cube number. And which number should be divided? Here 3 is only one time. Here 3 is not in a group of 3. Here 3 is not in a group of 3 numbers. Therefore the number must be divided by 3. Therefore the number must be divided by 3. Divided by 3. Be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. उसको हमें किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? 3 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Therefore the number may be a perfect cube. Therefore both sides we divided by 3. 3 is only one time. Therefore we divided by 3. Therefore 81 divided by 3. 3 into 3 into 3 multiply 3 divided by 3. 3 one time cut. Okay, and 81 by 3, that is equal to 27. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 raised to 3. Therefore cube root of 27, cube root of 27, that is equal to 3. Therefore which number should be divided? We must be divided the smallest number divided by 3. That number convert into the perfect cube, and the number and cube root of this number, that is equal to 3. Okay. Question is 128. First we find the prime factors of 128. First number is even, then divided by 2, that is 64. Then again we divided by 2, that is 32. Again we divided by 2, that is equal to 16. Again divided by 2, 2 8 is 16. Again divided by 2, that is 4. 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. Therefore 128 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 7 times. Okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2 7 times. That is a group of 3 numbers. Here 2 is not a group of 3. Here 2 is not in a group of 3 number. Group of 3. Therefore it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Therefore the smallest number, which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. Smallest number 2 must be divided on both sides. Be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. Therefore, we divided by 2. 128 divided by 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 1 time 2 cancel. And 128 by 2, that is equal to 64. 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to 3. 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 64, that is 2 into 2. Therefore, cube root of 64, that is equal to 4. And that is the final answer. Question 35704. We divided by 2, that is 352. Again we divided by 2, that is 176. Again divided by 2, that is 88. Again divided by 2, that is 44. Divided by 2, 22. Divided by 2, 11. And 11 ones are 11. Therefore, prime factor of 704. Prime factor of 704. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Here 11 is not in a group of 3. Here 11 is not in a group of 3. Therefore, 704 is not a perfect cube. 704 is not a perfect cube. Therefore, the smallest number, which number is only one time? 11. Therefore, smallest number 11 must be divided on both sides. Be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. Therefore, 704 divided by 11. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 divided by 11. 11 cut. And 704 by 11, that is 64. And that is 2 raised to 3. And that is 2 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 64, 2 multiply 2. And cube root of 64, that is equal to 4. And that is the final answer. See here. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of size 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. Suppose that is a cuboid. Suppose that is a cuboid and dimension of cuboid, that is 5 cm, 2 cm and height is also 5 cm. Okay. Here volume of cuboid, that is equal to L multiply B multiply H. 5 cm, 2 cm into 5 cm, that is 5 multiply 2 centimeter cube. Okay. Here 5 is only 2 times and 2 is only 1 time. How many such cuboids will we need to form a cube? तो ये क्यूब होना चाहिए. How many such cuboids need to form a cube? Need to form a cube means each number is a group of 3. each number is a group of 3. Here 2 and 5 are not in group of 3, in group of 3. Therefore, it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Therefore, we must be multiply 5 one time, 5 multiply and 2 time. 5 is 2 time. Then we multiply 5 one time, that is 2 plus 1 3 time. 2 is only 1 time. Then we multiply 2 time, 2 into 2. Then 2 is a group of 3. Then we must be multiply 5 multiply 2 be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. And that product of this number is 5 into 2 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. Therefore, 20 such cuboid. How many such cuboids? That is 20 such cuboid will be need to form a perfect cube. इन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है? इसमें 5 2 और 5 ये आ गया, तो हाउ मेनी टाइम वी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5? दैट इज 1 टाइम वी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5 and that is 2 time we multiply by 2, that is 5 into 5 into 5 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. Therefore the number 50 multi 5 into 5 25, 25 into 2 50, multiply with 20, that is equal to 1000, and that is equal to 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3, and cube root of 1000. Cube root of 1000 is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. And how many such cuboids? We multiply with 20 such cuboids. Okay, that is the final answer. Is 53240 a perfect cube? Find the prime factors of 53240. It divided by 2, that is 2 6 6 2 0. Again we divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 0. Again we divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, and that number divided by 5. 1 3 3 1, and 1 3 3 1 is a cube of 11, divided by 11, that is 121, divided by 11 is 11, and divided by 11 is 1. Therefore 53240, prime factor of 53240, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 into 5 multiply 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. Here 11 and 2 is a group of 3. Yes or no? Here 2, here 5 is not in a group of 3. Not in a group of 3. Therefore it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Therefore, then by which smallest natural number should be divided? Therefore 5 is not in a group of 3. Therefore we divided. Therefore the smallest natural number number 5 must be divided on both sides be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. Therefore, 53240 divided by 5. 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 5, 5 cut, and we divided by 2, that is equal to 10648, that is 2 raised to 3 into 11 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 10648, that is equal to 2 multiply 11, and that is equal to 22. Therefore, cube root of 10648, that is equal to 22. That is the final answer. Is 1188 a perfect cube? Check it. Here the number we divided by 2, 594. Again we divided by 2, 297. That number is not divisible by 2. That we divided by 3, 99. Again we divided by 3, 33. Again divided by 3, that is 11. And 11 divided by 11, that is 1. Therefore, 1188. Prime factors of 1188, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. Here only 3 is in group of 3. 2 and 11 is not in group of 3. Here 2 and 11 are not in group of 3. Group of 3. Therefore, it is not a perfect cube number. It is not a perfect cube. Therefore, smallest natural number, which is the smallest natural number? 2 2 जा, जो भी नंबर ज्यादा बार है 3 के ग्रुप में नहीं है वो सबसे डिवाइड कर देना. तो 2 and 11 not in the group of 3. That smallest natural number 2 2 जा 4, 4 11 जा 44. That is 2 into 2 into 11, that is 44. Should be divided. Should be divided on both sides. Both sides. Be a perfect cube. Be a perfect cube. Therefore, 1188 divided by 44, 2 multiply 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 by 2 multiply 2 multiply 11, 11 11 cut, 2 2 cut, that number is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and 1188 divided by 44, that is a 27. Therefore, 27 is a 3 raised to 3. Therefore, the cube root of 27 is equal to 3, and that is the final answer. Okay, clear? Chalo. A68600. Be a perfect cube. Therefore, first we divided by the number 2, 34300. Again we divided by 2, 150, 8 5 7 5. Again we divided the number with 5. Okay, that is 1715. Again divided with 5. 3 4 3 divided with 7 7 1. Therefore, 68600, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5, 7 into 7 into say 7. Here 2 and 7 is a group of 3, but 5 is not in a group of 3. Here 5 is not in a group of 3. Therefore, it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Therefore, the smallest number the smallest number 5 must be multiplied on both sides be a perfect cube. Therefore, 68600 multiply 5, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, 7 into 7 into 7, and then we multiply 000 3 4 3. That is equal to 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, 7 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 343,000, 2 into 5 into 7, that is equal to 70. That is the final answer.